Hello and welcome back to the Solidity course. In this tutorial we will discuss the loops in the Solidity. Like any other programming language, Solidity also has three types of loops that are while, for and do while. So let's open the remix and test.sol file. So in the contract, let's define a public unsigned integer count and assign 0 to it. Now let's define a function loop which is public, and inside this function let's write a while loop. So in while, let's add a condition that count is less than 5. That means execute this loop unless the count is less than 5, and inside the loop let's increment the count. Now let's compile and deploy the smart contract. Check the count, it is 0, and now call the function. Now let's check the value of count, and the value will be 5. Remember that for each count that is less than 5, the loop is executed. That means for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that will increment the count to 5 times. Now let's do the same thing, which is for loop. Now for the condition of the for loop, we have to get a new variable and then condition and then increment the value. And inside the for loop, it's increment the count. Let's compile and deploy the smart contract. Check the count variable and then call the function. Now let's check the count variable again, and it should be now 5. So this was all about the for loop. Now let's check the do while loop. Here we first increment the count and then check the while condition. Let's compile and deploy smart contract again and call the function. Now check for the value of count, it should be 5. So this was all about the loops in the Solidity. See you in the next video.